In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. To clean up your Photos app much faster, you need to launch it and decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Collections, both available at the top left corner. Don't worry, I will show you both. Let's start with Photos though. After tapping on them here, you need to hold one and tap on all of those dots at the top left corners to pick multiple right away. Quick tip, don't pick more than 100 because 100 at once is the biggest amount you can delete. Now, after selecting all of your photos to get rid of, tap on the ones you wanna keep. To get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom between Create and Download, and confirm your choice in the pop-up about moving all of those photos to your recycle bin. As you can see, all of mine were successfully deleted. Now hit Collections. Just a quick disclaimer, if you want to access bin I just mentioned, you can click on it here. If you want to delete your photos from any folder, after tapping on it, hold a photo and choose the same dots at the top left corners. Tap on photos you wanna keep, and this time to get rid of the rest, use this bin button at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!